What if one comet could shatter the very foundation of science? Not by crashing into Earth, not by causing an extinction-level event, but by quietly rewriting the rules of reality itself. 3I Atlas, an interstellar visitor racing through our solar system right now, already looks like nothing we've ever seen. Its chemistry is so bizarre that scientists are whispering about something unthinkable. What if this comet carries elements we've never encountered before? Tonight, we're not just talking about a rock from another star. We're exploring a terrifying possibility that the universe may be hiding a second periodic table. 1. The disturbing clues. Astronomy is supposed to be comforting. Comets follow patterns. Their chemistry is predictable. Water, dust, frozen gases. It's familiar, almost boring. But when 4 of the most powerful telescopes on Earth and in space pointed their eyes at 3I Atlas, the data told a story no one expected. The James Webb Space Telescope detected a coma, a halo of gas around the comet, completely dominated by carbon dioxide. But not just a little more than normal. Ratios so extreme that every comet we've ever studied suddenly felt ordinary, primitive, almost fake. Think of it this way. Every recipe in the cosmic cookbook calls for flour and sugar in balance. But 3I Atlas? It's dumping in pure sugar by the bag, and no one knows why. Then came Hubble. Instead of a classic comet tail, 3I Atlas displayed a strange cocoon of dust shaped like a teardrop, but without the bright tail we expect. Imagine watching smoke rise without fire, or hearing thunder without lightning. It simply didn't add up. The Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, TESS, added yet another twist. Even when it was far from the sun, too far to be active, the comet was alive with strange activity. It was glowing, shedding gas, behaving like it had its own internal engine. Piece by piece, the mystery deepened. This wasn't just an icy rock paying a casual visit. It was more like an intruder carrying secrets we weren't supposed to see. And that raises the darker question. If its chemistry is already breaking the rules we know, what else could it be hiding inside? 2. The terrifying possibility. The periodic table isn't just a list. It's the foundation of reality. Every atom, every chemical reaction, every living cell fits somewhere on that grid of elements. Humanity has trusted it for 150 years like it's the blueprint of the universe. But what if 3I Atlas carries matter that doesn't fit? Imagine scientists detecting isotopes that refuse to behave, atoms with electron shells that bend the rules, elements heavier than anything stable on Earth, yet somehow preserved inside this comet for billions of years. What would that mean? It could mean materials that bend gravity itself, metals stronger than anything we can forge, or molecules capable of rewriting DNA at will. It could mean technology so advanced it feels like magic, or weapons more terrifying than nuclear fire. And here's the part that feels like horror. We wouldn't even know how to contain it. Bring a fragment back to Earth, and it could react violently with our air. It could destabilize chemical bonds we take for granted. It could spread like a virus, not biological, but elemental, transforming our planet in ways we can't predict. To open 3I Atlas is to open Pandora's box. Except this time, it's not hope that escapes, it's chemistry itself. This is the nightmare scenario, that one interstellar visitor could prove the universe doesn't play by the rules we've trusted our entire existence. That the laws of science aren't universal, they're just local, temporary, fragile. And if the rules of chemistry can break, what else can? 3. The consequences for humanity. Let's say the unthinkable happens. Scientists confirm that 3I Atlas contains elements beyond the periodic table. The consequences would ripple through every layer of society like shockwaves. First, science itself would collapse, at least temporarily. Textbooks would be obsolete overnight. Chemistry professors would be forced to admit that the fundamental truths they taught were incomplete. Humanity's most sacred tool for understanding matter would need to be rebuilt from scratch. Then comes technology. If new elements exist, they could fuel revolutions or disasters. Energy grids might be powered by exotic isotopes with infinite potential. New medicines could emerge from molecules that heal incurable diseases. But the same materials could spawn weapons that make hydrogen bombs look like firecrackers. And politically, nations would race to reach the comet first. Whoever holds a piece of 3I Atlas would control the future. A new space race, but not for prestige, for survival. But here's the most terrifying thought. What if these new elements aren't even rare? What if, across the galaxy, they're common, while our elements are the primitive ones? That would make humanity not pioneers, but children, playing with toy blocks while the real universe is built on materials we can't even see. 3i Atlas could be a revelation, or it could be a mirror, showing us just how small we really are in a universe built from matter we don't yet understand. And once that door opens, there's no way to close it. So, what if this comet isn't just a frozen traveler from the edge of space, but a messenger, a warning sign, or even a trigger for something far beyond our control? History shows us that cosmic events have reshaped worlds before, so who's to say it couldn't happen again? One thing is certain: the universe never reveals its secrets all at once. Every strange discovery is a clue, a whisper from the cosmos urging us to look deeper, question harder, and imagine the unimaginable. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world and keeps our journey going.